I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Fampay app and confirming you're logged in. This ensures you can see the Keeper balance at once. Next, verify whether the Keeper withdrawal needs Guardian approval, because that controls the path you take. Once done, prepare the destination, a bank account, or UPI ID, and note exact details to avoid failures. Make sure notifications are enabled so you receive any OTPs or approval requests immediately, and then tap into the Keeper section to begin. You now initiate the withdrawal by selecting the Keeper balance and tapping Withdraw. This action starts the transfer flow. Enter the exact amount and paste the bank account or UPI ID because small errors create rejects. If the app requires KYC or an OTP, complete those steps promptly. Delays can time out the transaction. If a Guardian approval is required, send the request and watch for their confirmation. Once they approve, the system will proceed to process the transfer. You finish by confirming the transfer in your bank or UPI app, because verification closes the loop and prevents disputes. Check Fampay transaction history to ensure status is completed. If it's pending, allow the stated processing time. If it fails, capture the error code and retry with corrected details, or contact Fampay support with screenshots and Guardian approval logs. One key troubleshooting tip: clear app cache and retry, and if still failing, escalate with documented evidence to resolve the hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.